Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CRMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move and had a huge recovery. Yesterday I talked about it, and things were not looking good. I mean, but when you consider that, literally just yesterday at the close, the price had actually gone down that low, but all of a sudden now the price after today is way back up there. I think we can all agree this move here was very, very nice on the bull's part. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and I'm going to go ahead and just use this line since it's more relevant, and that is right up here at 37 cents. So why is 37 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 37. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? It would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down here. You picture each of these as stair steps, and well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, progress, as once more 37 cents. So that is definitely going to be a key level of support. What about levels of resistance? In terms of where the sellers are hanging out at, that is right up here at 45 cents. And really nothing too complicated behind that, just for the simple reason, yesterday during that big gap up and run, 45 is where it got knocked down, and then surprise, surprise today, once again, 45 is where it got knocked down. So very clearly there are some sellers up there. I'm not saying the price can't break through it or anything. I'm just saying that as far as what the story is telling us, apparently the bulls are really going to need to bring their A game if they're going to be able to fight above 45 and then be able to stay up above it. Anyway, look at it though. Nice recovery from yesterday, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.